right, so you gotta, yep, you're just gonna add a few little squirts. Josie, why don't you hold it for him? Can you hold it for him? Hold on, you gotta open it. Oh, that's probably good. That's good.
Oh, there's the mommy. Mommy, there's the mommy. That's why I gotta wear gloves.
All right, go ahead.
My mommy's gonna pour half a cup of sriracha. I don't like that one. This one is it's a coffee thing.
Okay. All right, Leo, swirl it together
What?
with your hands like Oliver's doing. Can you do that?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
What are you doing, Leo?
I'm pouring this half cup of water into
Okay.
now.
Now we need to add yeast and to dissolve it completely. You're going to want to pour the yeast in the water, and then you're going to want to mix it up.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot. That yeast. Ooh, yum. Oh, it's dripping.
So you got to dissolve it completely.
That's hot and disgusting. Ew, it smells gross. Oh, it looks like vomit and smells awful. It looks like it's getting hotter. It does look like vomit. And it smells like it's done.
Good job. I think that's enough.
I made open toothpaste. It is time to touch it.